Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple paracord lure. This is one I've already done with a do-it-yourself fishing hook made from a pop can top or a beer can top. Alright, first we're going to want to have a piece of paracord about roughly 3 inches long. And then we just want to push these inner strands out. I usually go about right there, about an inch. Okay. Now we're going to take the hook, and I believe this is a number 6 hook. So I'm gonna push it in here. Right about there. Now we're going to get ready to clip it off here. We're going to want to clip it off right close to the eye hole of the hook. Now we're just going to want to get it hot. Now remember, be careful, this is going to be your hot stuff. Alright, now that that is done, we're going to feather out the tail end a little bit here. Really simple. I like to use a needle. And all this is in my bug out bag. The needles for my sewing kit. Push them back a little bit here, spread them out. And I'm not going to take you through the process, but it takes a little bit, but we're going to basically do the same thing with the strands. I mean, you could use your fingers and fluff them out this way. I'll show you real quick what I do, the same thing I did with the tail. Just stick the needle in, spread them out. Like so. Okay, now I'm back with the finished product. Just something quick I thought I'd show you guys. I know lots of you probably already know, but for those that don't, here you go. And also, I have reached my 1K subscribers. So within the next 2 or 3 days, I will be doing the drawings to see who won the prizes. So good luck to you all. Also, these are pretty simple to make. Do-it-yourself hooks. Anyways, hope everyone's having an amazing day.